Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present the Lego optimization project that we built in class. This project is called a bulk conveyor and sorting system, and it was programmed using Fabrics Micropython and Visual Studio Code. The main goal of the system is to transport a ball using a conveyor belt and then classify classify it automatically into the left cap, the right cap, or generate an error signal. Let me describe how to the process works step by step. First, we place a ball in front of the color sensor and the beginning of the conveyor belt. The sensor detects that the ball is ready, and the next, the conveyor belt mode is activated and the ball is moved upwards along the conveyor. When the ball reaches the end of the ramp, the touch sensor confirms its arrival. At this point, the program generates a random number between -1 and 1. If the number is 1, the brick's light turns green and the ball is sent to the right cup. If the number is 0, the brick's light turns orange and the ball is sent to the left cup. If the number is -1, the brick's light turns red and error sounds is played. Finally, the conveyor motor returns to its initial position and the system is ready to start again with a new ball. This cycle can repeat infinitely, just like a real industrial process. The professor gave us initial code to program this system. However, the original code didn't work perfectly, so we made some modifications. First, in the import section, we add color. Without this, the program didn't recognize commands like color dot green and color dot orange and color dot red. Second change in the conveyor motor initialization, the orange code use -300. So in the code Python that is build underscore motor dot run underscore until underscore stills -300 stop dot break and 30. This caused the motor to press too hard, so we modified it to -250. That is bolt underscore motor dot run underscore until underscore still -250 stop underscore break and 30. With this adjustment, the motor worked more smoothly. And the third change in the last line, the professor's code had a comma that produced an error that is bolt underscore motor that run underscore target 250 comma 0, and we remove the comma so it runs correctly like belt underscore motor that run underscore target 250 comma 0. After this change, the program works successfully on our Lego EV3 brick. An important part of this project is calibration, which means giving sensor and actuators a correct reference point so they can work reliably. Sensor calibration, the color sensor must be adjusted so it's correctly detectable under different lighting conditions. Without calibration, it could misread the ball or fail to detect it at all. And the actuator calibration, the conveyor motor runs but works until it stalls and then its angle is reset to 0. This ensures that every time the program starts, the conveyor always begins at the same reference point, so the catch motor also uses a calibration. Its reference position is 0 and it moves +20 or -20 to send the ball to the left or right cup. This guarantees consistent movements and prevents errors. Calibration is what makes the system accurate, and reliably, just like in real industrial machines. And during the project, we face or could face several changes sensor sensitive because the color sensor sometimes misreads the ball due to change in ambient light or shadows, and the motor alignment. If the conveyor motor was not properly reset, the ball could start in the wrong position. Mechanical issues like pieces sometimes became loose or misaligned, which reduced precision. And finally, programming errors, small mistakes like missing imports or symbols cause the program not to run at all. So these difficulties are very similar to what happened in real factories where equipment must be calibrated, maintained at the batch constantly. So our conclusion to this Lego conveyor and sorting system is a simple but very powerful way to learn about optimization. We combine sensors to detect the ball, actuators to move it, calibration to guarantee precisions, programming to control the entire process, and logic to simulation random decisions. This LEGO project is more than just an experiment. It represents a real optimization in industry because in production lines, conveyor belts transport and classify products continuously. In logistics systems, conveyors are used in airports to sort languages into different destinations, and in quality control, sensor automatically separate good products from defective ones. So in general, automation improves efficiency and reduces human error and save time and cost. So our Lego project is a small scale simulation of this process. Thank you.